How to take printout on booking.com. Now in order to take printout on booking.com, just simply open your booking.com app or website, then go to your bookings section. After going in there, you will see all of the bookings that you have. Just simply open the booking which you would like to print. For example, let me open this one and scroll down to all the way to bottom until you see the option of save and share. Just simply expand the save and share option. Now you will see the option of share booking confirmation. Tap into share booking confirmation and tap to share as PDF. After selecting that, it will take a little while to make a PDF of your booking, and it will show you like this in this page. And from here, just simply tap into this button and download it to your device, and you can very easily print that out. So this is how you can very easily take a printout of booking.com. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.